In our sum and leaf diagram, is given by the question that the mean is 57. At the same time, the range is 26. So as a good habit, we should write down the given information first, and then we try to divide later. When we are going to evaluate the mean, we are going to add all the numbers together, and then we divide by the total numbers. But however, if we just talk about the range, it's just involving the maximum 72 and also the minimum 40 plus a. So it's more straightforward to get one of the unknown. We better start from the range. In fact, you start from the mean first is fine. It will give you the relation between a and b. Then once you find out the value of a, you plug it in, you can still get b here. Range, replace it by maximum minus minimum. And then the maximum is 7 together with 2, 72. The problem is what you should write down for the minimum here. Minimum, this value representing 40 together with a. So therefore we should write 40 plus a here. And beware that it's minus a after you remove the bracket. Therefore, by calculation, we know that a must be 6 in order to make our range become 26 here. Afterward, we try to bring it back to the mean. To evaluate the mean, we are going to add all this data together and then divide by the total number of data. So it starts from the first data, 46, because we already know what is a, plus another 46 plus 48, until in the middle we find 60 plus b. And then continue 62, 64, 67 until the last one, 72. We have in total 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1. 15 data here. And then the mean is given 57. So we are trying to evaluate this one. Except this b, we add all the number together. We will get 854 together with b, and then should equal to 57 times 15, which is 855. Therefore, b alone is equal to 855 minus 854, we have 1. b is equal to 1. Afterward, we can find out the median and standard deviation. About the median, again, we are going to draw a bar with 15 data here, so we can separate to half and we find the one place exactly middle. Left hand side we have 7, and then right hand side we have another 7 values. So look here, for the median, we are finding the 8th data is the median. Then we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 56 is the median. And for the standard deviation, once we know all the values, we just change it to mode 4 and then we input all the values one by one. And then we find this value is the standard deviation. Therefore, we finish part A and go to part B. If we randomly select a student from the group, we are going to find the probability that the rate of selected student is less than 61. So you have to ask yourself, less than 61, do we accept 61 kg? The answer is no. Less than, that means do not include the equal case. So 61 here is not acceptable. We find 58 is okay, 56 is okay, and all the data before. Therefore, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 data fulfill our requirement. The required probability is always equal to our target outcome together with our total. Compare them. So we have 9 targets here, while the total we have 15 students to choose. Therefore, we have to simplify it and then we get 3 over 5. It's a chance that we get some student weighs less than 61 kg.